Oh, where did you go? 2 years, I didn't see you. What happened? The last time we met, you told me you were trying to get married. And I was supposed to be your best man.
I just discovered that I need to be single.
Yes.
Just like you. Charles, watch me smoke and stay single.
That's right. Brother! You have impressed me.
Yes, definitely.
I'm going to impress you.
Definitely.
No, you didn't get. I'm going to impress you.
Thank you, I'm ready.
Just come over here, bring yourself, and bring something else with you. Something very massive, the backside of that to be very massive. The front side make it very, you know what I like. yeah, Lena. What are we waiting for?
Are you serious? We going inside, right?
Like that, bro. No, that's my woman. You know what I like. You know I like them big. Okay, I like them thick. I like them fat. You have a deal. Okay, I like the idea. So after we are done, we switch. I like that. Let's go.
Yeah, Charles. I just entered your estate now, no? Oh, yeah. I've passed the pharmacy. Okay. It's a straight road. Okay, so I should just go straight and turn right. Okay, the first turning by the right. Okay. That's fine. All right, I got you. Soon be there. All right.
Charles, what's up with you? What's up with you? My nigga, I'm seeing you. Damn, what have you been? Long time, bro. What happened? It's a fucking long story. No, let's go inside. Look at you. This is your house? Yes. Let's go inside. You're big.
Tell me, Paul, what happened? I tried to find you everywhere. I came to your house, you were not there. I called your siblings, I was told you were not around. They couldn't find you, they've been searching for you. Paul, where did you go? For 2 years, I didn't see you. What happened? The last time we met, you told me you were trying to get married. And I was supposed to be your best man. What happened?
You see, Charles, you won't understand. I thought getting married would have been the end of problems. But I didn't know it was almost the beginning of my problems. I wasn't even married. I was about to get married. I mean, look at the pressure I saw. Do you remember that my ex-girlfriend who came to my house one day when I was about to get married, and she gave me a warning I told you about, that she said I would never in her lifetime get married? I thought it was a joke. That girl was dead serious, Charles. That girl made a hell out of my life. Charles, this girl literally chased me out of Lagos. I had to run away to Abuja. I switched off my entire phone. I switched off my life. I thought it was going to be a time for me to just rejuvenate. I didn't know that even the people that claimed to love me would leave me in process. The wife I wanted to marry got married to another man. Even the ex that came to my house that day and caused mayhem to me was married to another person.
You know, when you told me you were getting married, I was deeply saddened because I know, right, David, I just needed to support you. You are my friend, of course. But I know deep inside me that I cannot just look at myself in that bondage of settling down with just one woman forever. Man, a woman forever? And there are lots of beautiful girls out there that I can keep tasting. No. I'm never going to do that. I never saw myself doing that. So I didn't have anything to do. I just had to support you. But I knew you were getting into a bondage.
I just discovered that, sometimes you just have to be single to be happy. I mean, I stayed single and I had no troubles.
Beautiful.
I began to even focus more in my life. I just discovered that I need to be single.
Yes.
Just like you, single. Let me show you that I'm serious about this. You know I don't usually smoke. But I want to show you that I'm ready to join your team. Charles, watch me smoke and stay single.
Yeah, that's right. Polo! You have impressed me.
Yes, definitely.
I'm going to impress you.
Definitely.
No, you didn't get. I said I'm going to impress you.
Thank you, I'm ready.
Just give me a second. I'm going to impress you.
All right.
Yeah. Hello, Lena. Lena, how are you? This is Charles. You know, Lena, I am at home and I just got a friend who came in. I'd like you to do something for me. Just come over here, bring yourself, and bring something else with you. Something very massive, the backside of that is very massive. The front side makes it very, you know what I like. yeah, Lena. Something very, yes, I'll be waiting. Thank you very much, Lena. That's right. Whoa! Yes, I told you I'm gonna impress you.
Charles, you just made my day. Oh my day.
You have to stay single.
Definitely.
And stay happy.
And stay happy.
That's right.
Stay single
And stay happy.
I mean, what else is life?
Nothing.
What else is life? Tell me.
No troubles.
I
You
mean-
stay single. You stay happy.
All the rest of our lives.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes.
You serious?
Yes, I'm going to impress you.
Interesting. Serious. Very nice. Hi.
Hi.
Wow.
All right, so Charles, this is Lena.
Lena, good to have you.
Yeah.
Wow.
My friend T. Hi.
Hey, hi. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, damn. Nice one. Oh, it's so sweet.
What are we waiting for?
Are you serious? We're going inside, right? After you. We are going to go so hard, so hard, so hard.
You like your own, bro?
No, that's my woman. You know what I like? You know I like them big. Okay, I like them thick. I like them fat.
You have a deal. Switch. Take turns. Okay, I like the idea. So after we are done, we switch. We switch. I like that. Let's go.
Alright guys! Oh damn! Yeah! Damn, I love this! Damn! Yeah, let's grab this. You grab this. Alright, party ending because I am already active. Oh no, you gotta enjoy yourself. Oh no, I'm active. Oh, I'm active. Alright. So we got 2 rooms here, another one over there, and one over here. So what you want? I'm going to do here. Alright then, so let the show begin.